Welcome in to lesson 48, everyone. Today we are talking about dominant seventh chords. So contrasting a dominant seventh with a major seventh, the major seventh was a major third, a perfect fifth, and then the major seventh on top. And now the only difference, we still have our major triad. So a major third, a perfect fifth, and then we're going to lower that major seventh down a half step to become a minor seventh. So as we can see, we have our C major 7, C, E, G, B natural. And to change this, we're going to lower that B natural to a B flat. So we get a major third, a perfect fifth, and a minor seventh, the C to B flat. And that gives us our C7, or our C dominant 7. Okay, let's build some more. So this time we're going to start off on an F. And we're going to go up to our third, major third, which will be A. We need a perfect fifth. Think of our F major scale, F, G, A, B flat, C. Okay, cool. 6 would be D, 7 would be E, which is a half step below E. So we're going to lower that to E flat. So we have our F7. Let's try another one, this time on D. So D, we need a major third up. How many sharps in D major? F sharp and C sharp. So we have F sharp, A, and that would be a C sharp as our major seventh, because C sharp is a half step below D, but we want to make that a whole step below, so we're going to leave it as a C natural, D7. And when we're writing our major seventh chords, so we can do C diamond 7 or C major 7. When we're writing a dominant chord, all we have to write is the root name, C7, B flat 7, and then put the 7, and it's imply that is a dominant seventh. Another way to think about this, the dominant of a scale is our fifth scale degree. So if we think about this in the key of, let's use the key of G for right now. So we have one sharp, and I'll just write these out. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and back to G. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 8. So if we write our triads starting on the fifth scale degree, which is our dominant, and then we're going to skip to 7, skip 8 and go to 2, and skip 3 and go to 4, let's see what we get. D, F sharp, A, and C. So we had the D for the 1, the F sharp for the third, the A for the fifth, and the C for our seventh, our flat seventh, dominant seventh, which gives us our D7. So the 5 of the chord, the dominant of the chord, you might have heard that, the dominant seventh. The D7 is the dominant seventh, the 5 chord in the key of G. That might help when we're composing or writing songs to think about how that relates back. That's going to have a really strong pull back to G because it's the dominant. It leads back to our tonic chord. So again, dominants are 1, major 3, perfect 5, and a flat 7.